All right, thank you, Kelsey. Well, it's almost Easter, which means lots of Easter egg hunts. A favorite pastime is dyeing the eggs with your family, and we're showing you how to make them a little different this year. Kapri Halton and from STEM NOLA and Lena Blondell, a student at McDonogh 35, join us now. Good morning. How y'all doing this morning?
Good morning. How are you?
I'm great. Well, I'm excited. Let's just dive right in because I love dyeing Easter eggs. Mine tend to start off kind of colorful, but then I put too much dye on it and they just become like dark purple or black or something. Give us some cool tips that can kind of make it different this year.
So here at STEM NOLA, we do not just make plain regular Easter eggs. So Miss Lena's going to walk us through on how we can make our colorful ones.
Yes, today I'll be making tie-dyed Easter eggs. So to do this, you'll need materials like your vinegar, your shaving cream, some of your favorite colored food dyes is purple, a container, and of course your boiled eggs.
All right, so yeah, take us through it. Show us what to do.
Alright, so first you want your eggs to sit in the vinegar for about 2 to 10 minutes, and then while those are sitting, you want your shaving cream in the container, and so you pour some in. You pour some in. An inch full is fine, whatever you please, but an inch is preferred. And then you got some of your favorite colors, of course. Blue, red, purple, whatever you like.
Oh, okay, I see that. And you're just using like food dye, right?
Yeah.
Yes, we're using food coloring. So whatever color please. My favorite color is also purple.
Yeah.
And you just want to give a few drops over.
You kind of got some McDonogh colors there. A little purple too.
So yeah, once you finish putting your color dye in, you want to take the back spoon or back of a paintbrush and make a little swirl in the whipped cream or shaving cream.
Oh, okay. You zhuzh it up a bit, as they say.
Yeah.
Shut up.
A little zhuzh. Oh, that's cool. All right.
Once you finish swirling in food dye with the shaving cream, you want to take your eggs. Here you go. Just start putting them in with the shaving cream. Just like that. Yes.
Oh, wow.
And so once you've finished putting that in, you put that in the fridge for about 3 minutes or so, and then your final product will be little eggs.
Oh, wow. How cool is that? That is awesome. And you leave them in the shaving cream when you put them in the fridge?
Yes.
Okay. And then when you take it out, that's when you can kind of wash the shaving cream off, right?
Yes. So make sure you leave it in for about 30 minutes, and you can take it out and wipe them off and go hunting. Go hunting for your Easter eggs.
And everybody is going to sit there and wonder, man, how did you make these eggs look so incredible? And you can say, I just painted them like the old days.
Yeah, actually, when the eggs are sitting in the vinegar, the calcium within the eggshell mixed in with the acid of the vinegar makes the color pop when you add the food color in. So you get that bright, beautiful color of the egg.
Well, that is so cool. Well, thank you so much for joining us. That was a really great experiment. I think it's one that anyone can tackle at home pretty easily. You did a great job explaining it all for us. We certainly appreciate you joining us this morning, and have a happy Easter. A happy Easter.